Hello, ma'am. Good day to all the sponsors out there. I am Amelie Quintinita Nunez, 45 years old, living at San Isidro, Bantay, Ilocos Sur, and currently in the Philippines right now. I am looking for a helper job. I had a working experience as a domestic helper 17 years in the country of Oman. I am good at taking care of children, ironing, laundry, house cleaning, and I am willing to learn the cuisine of your country. I am a hardworking and trustworthy person and willing to serve your family as my own. I hope to get a job on your country to help my family for the better future and to widen my experience in other nationalities. Have a wonderful day, and I am looking forward for my good luck to finding a job on your country. Thank you.